So hey guys, so what I've done is, I don't know whether you can see it clearly, but on this case what I've done is I've actually set up 3 cards on each side, right? And this is something that I was testing with all the 6 cards on one side. Apparently the cards tend to heat up when I separate them with you know separate them with 3 on each side, right? I am getting some good temperatures. It is not going beyond 50 degrees Celsius, and this side panel is installed. So this is how it looks. This case, this is from Xtrememiner V5. So right now what I'm doing is, I've been mining Ethereum fair with this setup, right? And you see that there is another motherboard here that is not does not have power. I was just too lazy to remove it out of that, but yeah, I've been back to the topic, right? So I've been mining Ethereum fair on this one, and I'm looking at about 363 mega hashes. So let's head over to the Hivo screen to show you guys the overclocks and to which exchange I'm mining Ethereum fair to, right? And that will give you an idea as to what are the hash rates that we are getting. Yeah, it is basically the same hash rates that we are getting on ETH, but let's look at that, and what are the estimated rewards or the coins that I end up getting in a month and on a weekly basis. Let's take a look at that. I'll see you guys in a few. So hey guys, we are back. I'm back at the Hivo screen. So this is what it looks like at this point of time. So the temperatures for this tower chassis, right, or the Xtrememiner V5 chassis, they're looking pretty decent, right? 50-54 degrees Celsius, and it's actually quite warm outside as well. So I I had I had shot this video 24 hours after I actually split those cards and everything, and then what I did was I made sure that I tested it thoroughly. So if you see the gap here, there was a power outage for about an hour or so yesterday, right? And that is the reason why you see that there is a gap in mining. So right now it is looking pretty stable. Even my RTX 3080, which is actually running at memory temperatures of 92 degrees Celsius. So I'm using the same overclock as what I'm using for Ethereum fair. I used to use the same overclocks for mining Ethereum as well. So taking a look at what I'm mining Ethereum fair. So I'm mining it to Hero Miners pool. So this is where I'm mining to, and if you look, let me punch in my address and look up, right? So I've been doing this for past 2 days. I've been mining, testing, making sure that everything is working fine and going smoothly. So while I took some time to set this chassis up, I had set up this rig with 2 motherboards and 4 power supplies and 12 GPUs on them, but I was not very happy with the temperatures on the GPUs that I was getting. The reason being is, as you saw before in the intro, before this Hivo screen, in the previous shot, that I have split my cards, 3 on each side. So because of that, there is a lot of gap between the cards, and it was giving me much more better temperatures actually, right? And much more better results. And this is how it looks. And coming back to the pool, right? So I've been mining to Hero Miners from past couple of days, and my yield as of now, with the current hash rate that I'm running at, that is 363.3, I stand to make about 45 ETH fare in a month, which is about $31. I can afford to pay my own electricity, so I'm just mining. I'm mining ETH fare, and guys, just to clarify, this is all spec mining. We never know what is going to happen in the future, whether this project will exist or not. So I'm just spec mining to hodl some of these coins. So what I will do is, after I've accumulated enough of these coins, I might actually switch to Ethereum proof of work or ETHW, right? So that is again spec mining as we speak. So today's price for ETH fare is about 67 cents, right? And it has been fluctuating up and down. So this is my total payout that I've got so far. And to the exchange that I'm mining to is Gate.io, right? Gate.io is one of the exchanges which is actually listed ETH fare. So let's take a look. So that is the exchange where you can actually deposit your ETH fare. So if you look at it, let's look at the coin ticker. Yeah, there you go. So they have they have ETH fare listed, right? And you can deposit your coins here. So if you don't have an account on Gate.io, I'll be sure to put that link in the description. You can open an account, complete the necessary process, and you can deposit your Ethereum fare mined ETH fare into Gate.io. So in the next video, what I'll be doing is we'll be talking about the 12 server 12 GPU mining chassis that I have, which is a server case where I have installed all my RTX and GTX 1660 Super, RTX 2060s. All my 6 GB cards are there, and of course my RTX 3050 is also put in there at this point of time. We will look at that in our next video to see what is the efficiency that I'm getting and what are the overclocks that I'm using on those. But for now, this is how it looks. It looks pretty decent from the stability standpoint of view and from the temperature standpoint of view, right? So I've just had 2 rejected shares. Maybe I'll have to bring down the overclock a little bit here on the 3060 Ti LHR, and that should actually take care of the rejected shares. For now, that's all I have for this video. If you guys like the content that I'm creating, please do like, share and subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Until then, you guys stay safe and take care. I'll speak to you guys in the next video. Bye bye.